Welcome to know about Clickfunnels affiliate marketing. So, what is affiliate marketing? T is when you get your own personalized link (URL) for a product, software or service that you want to promote. And whenever someone purchases through that personalized link, your affiliate link as we call it, you get a commission from the sale. For example, Amazon has the biggest affiliate program in the world. And if you're signed up to Amazon's affiliate program, you can promote every single product on their website. Then, if someone purchases through your affiliate link, you make money. What an affiliate link looks like, they will usually have some type of ref for referrer or AFF id for affiliate id somewhere in the link, with a bunch of random letters and numbers as well. You've probably seen them on social media before without even knowing it. People link straight to affiliate links on social media all the time, because they're hungry for the money. And don't want to provide value first, which gets them nothing in the long run. Posting straight to affiliate links on social or the first time you talk to someone is like literally the #1 rule of what not to do. Click the link below this video for more updates. If you get nothing else out of this blog, please remember that. Anyways, hope that helped give you at least a basic understand of what affiliate marketing is and how affiliate links work. Now, I'm going to be touching on Clickfunnels affiliate marketing program very soon. And it just so happens to be one of those recurring commission software I was just talking about. Do the work one time, get paid forever, so stay tuned. But before that, let me show you how and why funnels completely crush traditional e-commerce websites into pieces. Clickfunnels renders traditional e-commerce websites obsolete. Look at all the navigation and random things popping out at you all over the place. I circled some things, but there's even more than what I circled. I don't know about you, but I wouldn't be buying from this site. Anyways, for example purposes, this is how buying a product on a website like this typically goes. First you click on the Add to Cart button. Then to purchase you'll have to go the checkout page, where you'll have to fill in a bunch of forms, select a shipping method. And finally, after you've paid for it, that's it. Goodbye, see you next time. Anyways, back to the content. Just looking at it, you can already tell the differences, right? There is no buttons and navigation all over the page, like how it is on the regular e-commerce website. Nothing jumping out at you, besides one button and some headlines. Which means, on the funnel there is only one option: purchase the product. Or leave. I know. Unfortunately, there's no navigation bar on the funnel to get your awesome activated charcoal toothpaste to match your brand new posture corrector. Click the link below for this video for more updates. I'm sure people are just dying to brush their teeth with that activated charcoal, while wearing their brand new posture corrector. Anyways, you might still thinking, well, it's still the same idea, they both dropship a product, so what's the difference? 3 more key differences. 1. The editor is drag and drop simple, so no coding is needed. Which makes the funnels way easier to set up and edit colors, text, etc. 2. The fact that funnels convert customers at 300% higher conversion rate. 3. And because Clickfunnels has marketing secrets hidden under the hood. Thanks for watching this video.